ahead, honey.
And after, no, I'm just getting one of these and the pony.
And which one?
Pony.
These buy one get one free.
I'm putting this one back.
That's not the buy one get one free.
I know, that's why I just got the pony and that one.
What's these?
Wow. And this one I was talking about monster, but that was a monster. It'll follow.
We got something called Wise Guys.
American. These are my little bit ones.
Buy one. Muscle. I don't know. We'll just get these.
Okay.
Which one?
Big stuff, little stuff, what are you looking for? Let me cash them out. Alright, so what are we gonna roll it?
How much this?
So that one is 29. And then
What this do? I don't need nothing.
It's the same thing, it's the fountains and the balls, it's just a bigger version of these.
Okay. And these buy one get one free.
That one's get one free, so this will be 29, and then I'll look and see how much these are, but you can get two of those. Which one's this called? Those are the frisky.